Hello, today I'm in Audi A6. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic gearbox. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Press brake and hold, and in order to switch from parking to reverse, pull the lever while pressing the button. Now we are in reverse. Pull to select neutral, pull again to select drive, and pull with button to select sport. While you are in drive, you can push the lever right, and now you can manually change gears via shifter or via paddles right here. Push it back to drive and push it forward with button to select parking. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.